The Infinix Note 30 is a flagship smartphone from Chinese mobile manufacturer Infinix Mobility that was made available to the Kenyan market in the second half of 2023. Two versions of the device were made available to potential buyers, with the base model having a glass front, plastic frame, and a glass back. The range-topping model, also called the VIP version, has a glass front, a plastic frame, and a faux leather back. The Racing Edition Infinix Note 30 comes packaged in a predominantly black box, which has red, blue, and white lines running from the top edge to the bottom edge of the front. The front of the box also has the name and series of the device printed in bold, and this format is continued on the left and right sides of the box. The back of the box is mostly blank. Inside the main box, the device comes wrapped in a plastic sleeve and is placed on a molded partition that securely holds it in place. Once removed, the partition reveals a plastic card with a QR code on the back that gives further details about the Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition. This is also where the SIM key is placed. Next comes a sleeve made from foam which contains the device's screen protector. This is a first from Infinix Mobility, as the accessory is typically sold separately. A separate plastic sleeve contains the Infinix Note 30's protective case, which is made of clear plastic and has a high gloss finish. The packaging also contains a 68-watt fast charging power brick, a pair of headphones, and a USB to Type-C cable for charging the device as well as for data transfer. The Infinix Note 30 Racing Edition weighs about 198 grams and therefore feels very light in hand. The back has a matte finish which gives it extra grippiness in hand, which it loses once the clear plastic protective case is put onto the device. The case is also a fingerprint magnet, meaning it requires regular cleaning. The top edge of the device has a secondary microphone for ambient sound detection and a set of its pair of loudspeakers tuned by JBL. The display measures 6.67 inches diagonally. The right edge has the volume rocker and the power button. The bottom edge has its other loudspeaker, the Type-C charging port, the primary microphone for phone calls, and a 3.5mm jack. The left edge has the SIM card tray with slots for 2 nano SIM cards and an additional slot for a micro SD XC card for storage expansion. The back of the device has its triple camera setup and a quad LED flash mounted on a multi-step camera bump. The Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition powers on and initializes in under 30 seconds. The screen has a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 900 nits. It has a 2K resolution and a pixel per inch density of 395. The screen-to-body ratio is approximately 90%. The Infinix Note 30 Racing Edition comes pre-installed with Android 13 operating system and XOS version 13. Inside, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset and runs on an octa-core central processing unit. It is fitted with a Mali G77 MC9 graphic processing unit. It has sufficient internal storage of 256 GB of read-only memory, and this can be further expanded up to 2 TB by way of a micro SD XC card. Out of the box, the device has one of the highest random access memory provisions in the market. It has a base RAM of 12 GB that can be further expanded to 21 GB, courtesy of its Universal Flash Storage version 3.1. The device is fitted with a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged from 0 to 80% in 30 minutes when using the fast charging power brick. The wireless pad can charge the Infinix Note 30 from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. The device is available for purchase in stores countrywide for about 50,000 Kenya shillings. For a detailed review of the Infinix Note 30 Racing Edition, head over to www.hapakenya.com.